guys, so today I'm going to be attempting how to make some paper squishies, and I've been seeing this on the internet and I thought it was really cool, especially since you don't need foam for this, and it probably takes only 30 minutes to make. So the materials I'm going to be using in this video is some basic white paper, colored pencils, Sharpies, scissors, clear tape, and for the filling I'm going to be using a white plastic bag. And it really doesn't matter, you can use animal stuffing. I'll be definitely using some reference videos and some pictures to definitely make these. So anyways, without further ado, let's get started. So the first one I'm going to be making is the Yellow Brown Marshmallow Cat by Attribution-ShareAlike. So you need to like fold the paper, or at least that's what I saw. So here is what my final paper squishy looks like. I definitely learned some things out of making this. So like, one, I would definitely make sure I separate the paper when drawing with Sharpie because it kind of bled through and now there's like a face on the back. So the next squishy I'm going to be making is the Happy Polar Penguin squishy by Attribution-ShareAlike. And I'll be doing the pink baby design with the little binky. So let's get started. these are my final homemade paper squishies that I made. I didn't actually film this one, but this is a Punimaru panda donut. And here are the squishies that I did make in this video. So I have this cat marshmallow and a baby penguin. So my final thoughts on these homemade squishies is that they're really fun and easy to make, especially since you don't need foam and they don't take long to make as well. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Definitely. So that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!